Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Floki. Had to do an update on that. Of course, it's been super bullish. Like since yesterday, when certain, like overall, this is a pretty isolated move because what you usually see, we went up 25%. What you usually see is that meme coins rally together, right? So when the market turns bullish, which we have seen, meme coins kind of as a narrative start to move up, and we have seen. I mean, to be honest, some meme coins have been strong, right? So ladies, Shiba, Bonk, Floki, and Whiff yesterday was also quite strong. Have rallied, but it also seems to be a relatively isolated move, as in that the Floki / token / DWF Labs ecosystem is being pumped up. All right, because DWF Labs is an investor and market maker in these coins. And you can see, for example, that Ladies is performing relatively well as well. And Ladies and Floki are the two tokens that they've mainly invested in. All right, so you can see Ladies, right? Did I delete it? I can't, no, it's right here. So Ladies was also relatively strong, at least over the last couple of days. So that's going on right now. And that does make Floki bullish, all right? Even though, I mean, DWF Labs in the past has had a bit of a history, which, by the way, they're also very much invested in tokens, so that explains a bit of those moves. They have had a bit of a history of pumps and dumps, all right? So I do think you need to be cautious, but overall, and most of you know this, I'm very bullish on the whole Floki ecosystem, all right? So maybe they're not the ideal partner, but in this case, I actually think they are a very good partner to have. I'm not sure if they're transacting things already, and it's always something to keep an eye on. Yeah, so two hours ago, they did deposit $1.2 million of token into Gate.io, but that has more to do with token. I mean, Floki at this moment still looks super strong, right? So when the markets turned very bullish yesterday, what happened with Floki is that we gained a lot of momentum. The open interest here is up quite a bit, as you can see. There's no bearish divergences or anything. No, I mean, at this moment, everything does look bullish. You can ask yourself, like, we have in a matter of an hour or several hours, we have $20 million in positions being opened in 1 hour. That's quite a lot. That's historically some sort of an indication of whales entering, and that's always a bit risky, because if whales are entering the coin, some manipulation is bound to happen. But in the case of Floki, in these market circumstances, I don't really see Floki turning bearish here. All right, obviously it's a possibility, like especially if Bitcoin starts to fall down rapidly here, there is a chance that Floki reverses as well. But if you zoom out, Floki has, or at least on the 4-hour time frame, has broken above the previous all-time high. Right here between 30,000 and 31,000. That's a significant key level. So breaking above that actually means something while the markets are relatively strong, while certain meme coins are rallying, and while the momentum is amazing. Like the open interest has gone up by more than $80 million since yesterday evening. Like you cannot ignore that. So overall, I think we will stay bullish. A major next price target would be 40,000. All right, so that's the next big psychological level. I do think there's a good chance we'll retest 31,400 and 30,500 down here, right? So that means on the 4-hour time frame, a move like this. But as long as this level holds, so especially 30,000, we're good. All right, and I don't see any reason why it would break, except for a Bitcoin crash. But I don't expect a Bitcoin crash yet. So ultimately, I still think this is most likely. And those are my thoughts. Now, I will keep you updated on this because, like I said, I do think there are some elements that are quite risky with Floki. But overall, none of those elements for me at this moment are crucial enough to tell you that I think it's more likely we're going to fall. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. For now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.